This is the lathe X-axis using the homemade MPG set in the MPG mode and it's going to move the increments is in 1 inch, so on the X it'll be a ½ an inch. So going one way, going the other way. Changing the mode to the Z. The Z moves 1 inch. The X only moved a ½ an inch. These buttons here, top one selects the jog for continuous and step in MPG. The next button selects the X or Z axis. This is the increment for 1/1000ths, ½ a thousandths, 1 inch, whatever you want, you know, in that range. And then the next button is continuous step mode. If you hold this button down, it'll move in the continuous step mode. If you let it up, it moves in the step mode. So turning the handle, we change the increments on Z, and then X. Change the increment again. Go to Z. This works real good. I've got 6 buttons. I'm going to add 2 more. I'm probably going to make a bigger knob for the MPG. I might even make another MPG for just on the lathe for just the X and the Z, and do away with some buttons here. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching the video.